artificial intelligence will take over wholesale real estate. The first way artificial intelligence will take over wholesale real estate is wholesaling companies will start using AI to replace some of their employees. So for a lot of beginners getting started in wholesale real estate, they may start with a bigger company. But now a lot of these big companies may replace some entry-level jobs with AI agents, with AI chat bots. Because think about it. If you're first of all, you're sending out text that no human being is actually doing, which is a form of AI. And then to respond and to reply and all these things, yeah, they would probably put somebody on the phone if someone is interested. But during that whole conversation, they can essentially use an AI chat box to communicate with a potential seller. So a lot of wholesalers or beginners wanting to get started, now they're in competition, not only with this big company that you could have got started with, but now you're competing you're going against artificial intelligence. And that's a hard battle to beat. So that's one way. And I'm going to talk about several different ways that AI will take over wholesale real estate. But be sure to subscribe to this channel. A lot of you all watch this video or my videos but are not subscribed. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and like. So the next way I think AI will take over wholesale real estate is for finding deals. I think there are a ton of softwares out there, especially the main ones like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity, all these different AI search engines that you can go in and you can tell them, hey, find me a distressed property in this zip code. And I have videos on this of me using these AI models in order to find wholesale deals. You can use these AI models. And that's the thing about when I'm saying AI will take over wholesale real estate, I'm not only talking about, oh, it's a competition to you as a beginner, as a wholesaler. It's also to help you to know what you can do in your own business in order to use AI to better set up yourself for getting these wholesale deals. So AI can do a lot of things. It can help you find deals. It can help you, navigate the arena of list stacking and finding different lists. So yeah, on my videos, I showed how AI can pinpoint a zip code, pinpoint a distressed property, and especially look at for sale by owners on Zillow, on Redfin, and they can target them and send them your way. You just tell them exactly what you're looking for. And then instead of you having to go to Zillow and do all these things and scroll, you could just say, hey, ChatGPT, find me for sale by owners that have been listed for over 90 days. This is the price range. This is the zip code. And then bam, they'll send you those listings. So not only is that one way AI is taking over wholesale real estate, that's one way that you can use AI in your wholesale real estate business. Another way AI is taking over wholesale real estate is by different regulations and laws and licensing. So on this channel, I do talk about different licensing updates, different updates on, hey, your state is now requiring you to hold a license in order to wholesale real estate. Your city or state is requiring a disclosure or this or that. And so as this increases, you're going to find more and more AI models being able to do that and pinpoint exactly which cities, which states require things for that. I know recently I was on Google and I was just searching, hey, can I do this in this state right now? And Google Gemini was able to just find me that answer right away. I didn't have to go through the county's website or the government or the Secretary of State website. I was just able to find it right there. And so the other thing with that is that not only are they able to update you about the laws and everything, I think now Secretary of States, these different cities, they're going to recognize, oh, people are using AI in order to contact homeowners, right? They're using AI to do this, to do that. We need some regulation around it. So this is not anything that's out there right now. This is just me speaking from what I've seen happen in other industries and things that just evolve over time. And now the government gets involved, like, okay, people are using this software to do this, to do that. We need to regulate it. We need to do something around it. And so especially when there's contact directly with homeowners or sellers or elderly people, and an elderly person thinks they're actually talking to a real person, but it's a chat box. And even if there's a little disclaimer, most people are not going to read it, especially, older people sometimes may just miss it or whatnot. And so these people can get taken advantage. And this is the whole reason why there's a lot of regulation around AI or around wholesaling, is because people believe people are being taken advantage of. They don't know the real value of the home and whatnot. And now that you have an AI agent talking to them, that increases the chance of a lot of these homeowners possibly being taken advantage of. So AI can be super involved with the laws, the regulations in your city, in your state, and also it may bring upon us more regulation and laws because of how powerful that system is. Now, AI can also, it may help you learn how to wholesale real estate extremely well. And on this channel, I remember I did show a video of how you can use AI in order to learn how to wholesale real estate. You can say, hey, teach me how to wholesale real estate, and then, or where should I start in order to wholesale real estate? Or give me some good resources or great YouTube channels, and hopefully my YouTube channel. I should probably search that. Go to ChatGPT and say, send me great YouTube channels on wholesale real estate that I can learn how to wholesale real estate as a beginner. Hopefully my channel pops up and I'm one of their listings, but you just never know. But yeah, you can learn wholesale real estate through AI. And I think that's important because a lot of people can learn a lot from AI, not just to use it just for, stupid things, honestly. But AI can be used in so many other ways than just directly wholesaling. Can teach you about wholesaling. Now, the other way that AI will take over wholesale real estate is that AI, when you're working with AI, you can use these softwares to automate your cold calling or automate your list stacking or pulling lists. It can also help you find cash buyers, right? So yeah, it can pinpoint different for sale by owners, but also you can, use it to find cash buyers and also to find the best areas to wholesale real estate. You can say, hey, show me where most of the cash sales are happening in this county and this zip code. And they can tell you which areas are the best to find cash buyers, or where a lot of cash buyers are going to in order to wholesale real estate. Use AI effectively. And so that's how I see AI really impacting the wholesale real estate industry. I also think that it's not going to, it's going to be hard to replace actually going to see a seller in order to wholesale real estate. So that's still on you. You still have to go up to the seller, go up to the property, inspect it, look at the roof, see everything, and see if this is actually a deal in order for you to make money. AI also, I believe it's a great tool. You just have to be a little bit careful on how dependent you are on it, because eventually you either have to get on the phone with the seller or you have to actually see them in person. So you may use the AI for everything up until actually talking to a seller, but you have to understand that you still have to be able to hone down on that skill of communication and being able to build rapport and talk with sellers. Now, I think AI can disrupt a lot of industries, and I think wholesaling is one of them. And I'm just thinking too of just these bigger wholesaling companies, how much they can be using it to comp properties, right? And that's another thing that you can use it for too. Hey, what's the after repair value for this property? Let's say I do a new kitchen, bathroom. What's the after repair? What would be a great wholesale price? What would be boom, 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 boom? And then you can say, hey, this is what I found on this property. Because I think one of the hardest things for beginners to calculate are repairs. And so when you go to AI and you go to a property and you just write down exactly all that's needed. Hey, I'm in this area, this zip code, looking at labor rates and cost of materials in this area. This is what's wrong with this property. Hey, we need to replace all the flooring of a 1,200 square foot property. It needs new appliances, new cabinets, new countertops, and we're going to use stainless steel appliances. We're going to use quartz. We need recessed lines. We need some plumbing updates. Boom, boom, boom. You write it down. It should give you an accurate number of the repair costs for that type of property. And so that's a great way that you can use it as a beginner. And I think big companies are going to use it in that way also. Now, are you scared of AI? Are you scared to use it in your wholesale real estate business? As a beginner, you shouldn't fear these things. You should actually use it to your advantage to get you closer to your goals and to meet up with the standard that other wholesalers are going to be at, right? These big companies are going to be there. They're going to be using these softwares, and they may be replacing some of the things that want to do, like they're going to be replacing your jobs and whatnot. So be sure to be able to use AI, and hopefully I use it more in my business, and I can share with you how I use it in my business so you can use it in your real estate endeavors. All right, you all, hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll talk to you all later.